Yes, guys. Good
Right.
morning, one and how are you all? Hello. Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good.
Yes, sir.
Everybody on your videos. Everyone. So after long time, right? So just recall your syllabus, and now onwards there is a no holidays. Nothing is there up to completion of your exams. Okay. So one thing is, I always trust that what your hard works and your smart work. Whatever you are doing the your work, concentrate and remember recall your target. So if you want to achieve your target, you must and should you have
Correct.
to
Video started.
progress and revision of your syllabus. So almost 90% your syllabus is completed, and those who are not completed the
Ah,
syllabus, just call to me or coming to me, come to me. Sir, we are not good in this topic and we are not able to solving these problems, then I will help you. So one thing is what very clear, that is recall your syllabus and previous papers, how they are asking the questions in the previous papers, similar type of the questions. For example, there is a area, perimeter and volume topic. The 100% the question will come from the topic. And speed and distance, time and work, and profit and loss. These are the very important and the gunshot questions. So I'm requesting that what you focus from the where the questions will 100% will come. I am requesting that prepare the topic. How you are prepare? Preparation means not only the mental ability or the English. So start the topic. If you want to start the mental ability, start from the part number 10, because part number 1 and 2 are the very easy up to part 5. Yes, whatever your selection topic, start from the toughest level questions and go for the basic level questions. Don't start from the basic to tough. Start from the tough to basic, because of you are not a beginners, you already completed the somewhat, yes, you know the topics. If you are the beginner, then you can start from the basics. You are not a beginners, so what to do, you have to start from the toughest level questions and come to the basic level questions. Then if you do the tough level question, then basic level questions are very easy for you. Okay. And so what is the today's topic, which topic do you want? So I am giving the chance to you only. So we have completed the almost all the chapters. If any chapter is pending, just tell me. If any topic is pending, then tell me, I will start that. Otherwise, if you have faced any difficulty in any topic, then I will start that. Which one you want? Yes, it is clear. Yes, tell me, which topic do you want? So from the every topic, from every topic, simplification is a very important. From every topic, LCM, HCFs and simplifications are the very important. Let's see here, there is a one question. In the year, which year it is? 2013 paper. The given question is, yeah, please copy the question, everyone. Please copy the question. The least number of square shaped, the least number of, everyone, please on your videos. I have to say what you are doing. The least number of square shaped, the least number of square shaped, the least number of square shaped tiles, the least number of square shaped tiles which can be fixed, which can be fixed, which can be fixed in a room of size, in a room of size 20 meters cross 12 meters. The least number of square shaped tiles, the least number of square shaped tiles which can be fixed, which can be fixed in a room of size 20 meters cross 12 meters is dash. Options: option A 10, option B 15, option C 20, option D 24. The options.
24.
How? Yes, how? Good response from the Ramakrishna. But how?
24.
How?
12 to the 24.
Very good answer. Super. Keep it up. Definitely you will get the this time you will crack the Navodaya exam. Just give me the claps for the Ramakrishna and Pramod.
Sir.
Yes, what's the answer, Pramod?
24, sir.
Very good. Yes, everybody give the claps for the Ramakrishna and the Pramod. That said the answer fraction of seconds. And the answer is, how do you know that? 12 twos are 24. That the answer is 24. Yes, it is correct. Yes, Sriharsha, on your video. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, Aditi, Apuva, Sai, Yagna. What is the answers? Om Sai, answer.
Sir, 24.
How?
How?
Sir, that 20 meters, 0 could cancel, no, sir. And then 2 is only there. That's why 12 into 220.
So answer is 24. So answer is 24. Right? Yes, Nana. See, look at here. Here is a what? There is a one room. The room size is this. For example, consider room size is this. I told you that 100 times, but you are doing same thing, the mistake. Here, the 20 meters and 12 meters. The lengths are not equal. Not equal means given lengths for the what? It is a rectangle. It is a what? Rectangle. Please mute your voice, everyone. So this is a what? This is a rectangle. First, what to do? We have to find the area of this rectangle. We have to know what is the area of the given figure, given question. So 20 into 12, 20 into 12, area of the rectangle formula is what? L into B. So find the area of this 12, 2s are 24, 0 is there. Write the 0, 240 meter square. So this is the area of the given figure. And they are telling that what? They have to fix that some small type of square tiles. What type of square tiles? Small type of square tiles. So they are not telling that the length of the squares, but we have to find the length and area individual and how many that. So how many, if you want the how many, then what to do? I have to find that first area of the one tile, and then the next is the what? Total number of. How we'll get the total? The area of the, for example, this is the area of the rectangle. Then A2 is area of the individual square box, square tile. Then if this answer is, for example, area of the one small square box is 10 meters square, if your area of the small size of the tile area is how much? 10 centimeter squares, then how many? That number means what I told, bigger area by smaller area of the room divided by area of the individual tile, that will give that number of tiles are required to floor the room. That will give that what? The number of tiles are required. So here is what? 240, and here is what? 10. If this 10 is correct, then here is 10. Cancel it, 0 0 cancel, then your number of tiles are how many? 24. So here what is the important? This value you will get the definitely easily, but you want this 10 value. How you will get this 10? That is the question. That is a trick. What is the logic? How to find this 10 value if it is correct? I, in this particular case, I just imagine that what? Area of the one particular tile is how much? 10 meters square. That is my imagination. But can you do the problem with the imagination? No. We have to find the exact value of the this particular tiles. Then how to find it? That is the question. 12 into 2, 24, sir. 0 is not value. 24 is the answer, sir. That is a very blunder mistake. Your answer may be the 24. I'm not sure that. I'm not telling that answer is wrong. Your answer is maybe your answer is 24. But your blunder is a what? So 12 into 2 is 24. 0, there is a, for 0, there is a no value. So that's why 24 is the answer. 24 is not an answer like that. Maybe your answer is 24, but the process what you are doing, that is wrong. Okay, so now how to find the area of the particular tiles? This is, yes or no? How to find it? And we know the formula of the particular tile is how much? Area. This is in square. For the area of the square, what is the formula, Nana? A square. Yes or no? And this is A square. Now, at least now, can you try? Can there is any chance now? At least now area of this, that is how much? I said that area of the particular tile is how much? A square. Now can you try? This area is equal to, actually what? Number of tiles is equal to area of the A1 by area of the A2. And we know that area of the particular one, this is how much? 240. And this is what? A square. Can there is any chance to get the answer? Can there is any chance to get the answer or not? Then how to find the question? Here for the one problem, two unknowns are there. It's a very important, Nana. Here if they mention the area of this, then your answer is easy. But here is what? N is equal to 240 by A square. Then how to find the value? Then how to find that A square value? In this type of particular case, then what is the solution? As anyone knows that, how to find it? Then in this particular case, your values are what? 12 meter, 20 meters and 12 meters, right? Find the HCF of, find the HCF of Important question. Find the HCF of 20 and 12. Tell me that. Yeah, just find out the HCF 20 and 12.
Yeah, 4, sir.
Yeah, very good. HCF is 4 na? Then now in this particular type of question, your answer is concentrated here. Here is what 20 meters cross 12 meters is the first area of the rectangle. So your answer is this 20 by this number is then a 4 HCF or GCD 4 HCF cross that is into this 12 by 4. Then after that cancel it. 4 ones are 4 fives are 4 ones are 4 threes are. Here numbers are 5 into 3. 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are how much? 15. So number of tiles are how many? 15 tiles are required at least. This is the answer. This problem is a very tough and typical in the basic level and advanced level, not a basic. This is the advanced level of the problem. They gave the question in 2013. Can you expect in 2021 or not? Yes. Why not? So just copy this problem. This type of question. How to find? First, if your area of the particular tile is do you know, then your answer is easy, Nana. మనకి ఈ వాల్యూ తెలిస్తే your answer is easy. What to do? First find the area of the room. This is area of the room, that is A1 by tile dimension kuda iste. If the square tile the one side is 5 meters, then area of the tile is what? 5 into 5, that is 25. 240 by 25, that is your answer. You will get that. I told 100 times that find the area of the room first divided by area of the one particular tile, either that is a square tile or rectangle tile. Okay, so find that the two values and divide by the maximum number by the minimum number. You will get the number of tiles. The question is what? If you don't know the area of the tile, then this is the process. What to do? You have to find the LCF, sorry, HCF of the given lengths of the rectangle, that is 20 and 12. Find the HCF and divide by one number by another number. Then you will get the answer. Multiplication, you do the multiply, you will get the answer. That is the question. Okay. Understood or not?
Sir.
Yes. Anybody have any doubts about this problem? Yes. Be the active. If you have doubt, sir, we have doubt. No, if we don't have any doubt, sir. Yes, tell me. Yes.
Sir, here 20 by 4 into 12 by 4. Why did you write, sir?
We have to do like that only. In this particular case, if you don't know the area of the tile, we have to do the problem. You have to find the HCF of the numbers and we have to divide the particular lengths and the breadths by the HCF. Breadth and length, you have to divide the individual by what? Your HCF value. In this particular case, if your problem is like that, then we have to do like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mm. Yes, the next question. Completed it? The question number 2. The common multiples of, question number 2, the common multiples of 6 and 8, 6 and 8 from 1 to 100 are the common multiples of 6 and 8 from 1 to 100. Your options. I will give the options. Option number 1, 2448. Option B, 24, 36, 48, 72. Next question. C, 12, 24, 48, 72. Option D, 24, 48, 72, 96. Which one is the option? The time is less than 1 minute. Who will tell the answer is less than 1 minute? First.
Sir, C.
Option?
C.
Option C from who?
Shoram Krishna, sir.
Shiva Ramakrishna. Very good. Ramakrishna, you are giving the answers are very spontaneously, but that is a correct approach or not, we don't know. Give me your reason why you selected the option number C. Fast.
Sir, option D, sir.
Why?
Come on, man.
Give me reason.
Common came, sir.
Common came. Yes, please mute it.
Common.
Yes, please mute.
D, sir.
D. Now see that when this type of questions are there, when they will give the options are like this, don't write the multiplication of the 6 and 8 up to 1 to 100. That is a waste of time. What to do? If the common multiple of 6 and 8, if any number, for example, number is 24, this 24 is divided, this 24 is divisible of the 6 as well as 8. For example, 32, if you take the 32, 32 will divisible in 8 table, but 32 will won't divisible in 6 table. So this 32 is not a divisible of the common multiple of the 6 and 8. Okay, if for example 60 is a number, 60 will divisible in 6 table, but 60 will won't divisible in 8 table. 60 is a common multiple of 6, but 60 is not a common multiple of 8. So 60 is not a common multiple of 6 and 8. This is the target. Now see that we are good in the tables, right? We are good in tables. Now 24 will come in 6 table or not? Yes, 24. And the similarly 48 will come or not? 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. Yes, the both the given options will divisible in 6 table. Option number 1. Similarly in 8 table, check it. In 8 table, can you get the 24? Yes. Can you get the 8 table in the 48? 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. Yes, these two are is a common multiple of what? 6 and 8. Now go for the next option. 24, yes. 36, can you cancel in the 8 table? No. So this option is wrong answer. Go for the third one. 12 is a common multiple of 8. Can you cancel in the 12 in the 8 table? No. In 12 table, can you get the 12? Sorry, 8 table, can you get the 12? No. So this is also wrong. Then go for the last one. 24 is a common multiple of 6 and 8.
Sir, that 28 not, sir, 48.
Okay, this is a 48. Huh? Okay, let's see. So here 48. 48 is a common multiple of 6 and 8. Okay. Then go for the 72. Can you, in 6 table, can you get the 72? 12 6 are 72. Yes. In 12 table, yes, you can get. In 8 table, 92. Yes. Then 96. Can you get the 96 in 6 table? 6 table.
16 6.
16 6 are very good. 6 ones are 6. Here is how much? 336. Yes. The similarly 96, can you get in 8 table? 8 ones are
12.
8 twos are 12 eights.
12.
Now you have the options are in first one and the last one. Now out of these two, which one is the correct?
First one.
C. Option C.
First one is the wrong answer
Yes, sir.
and the last one is the correct answer.
Last one is the correct answer.
Because why? Because here there is a possibility to that. There is a possibility of they are asking the question from 1 to 100. Yes. So they are asking the question from 1 to 100. This is the exact answer for if the 1 to 100. After 48 is also there is a possibility 72 and 96 are the common multiples of 6 and 8. So that's why my answer is D1 is the correct answer. Then the next question, and the question is homework. If piece share is 25% more than Q. If P share more than Q, then how much percent Q's share less than P? Option A 25%, option B 20%, option C 30%, option D
20%. 25, sir.
Yes. How your answer is 25? Share in the group
20.
your answer. Send your answers in the group and practice. And yes, everybody, how you are now their books, right? So just open the page number 85 in the previous paper, 2013 year paper. Do it this paper with answers. Come to uni. Come to your evening class with your solution of the 2013 paper. 2013 paper mathematics fully solution. I need a page number 85. Right? Got it? Then thank you. Bye bye.